and this retails for rupees 59. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have gathered 10 things which are under 150 rupees, and I absolutely love these products, so I want to recommend these to you. So let's get started. So these are a mixture of beauty, skincare and makeup products, so I'm just gonna hop right in. So I'll just pick whatever comes to my hand. So the first one being the Good Vibes Lemon sheet mask. Now all the sheet masks are extremely affordable. This one especially is for 89 rupees, and this is the lemon one from Good Vibes. Now I've heard so many good things about Good Vibes. I have been using their rose hip serum, which is really good, so I cannot wait to try this out. I have tried the other version from the sheet mask, so this is the lemon one, and I would highly recommend it. If you want a good sheet mask, you can check this out. Okay, so the second product is a no-brainer. We all have been using it and loving it. I am talking about the Himalayas Neem face wash. This is probably, I don't even remember, I think this is like my 10, 15, 20, I don't remember. I've been using this since I was like 8 in 8th standard, or even before that. I used it in my school, in my college, and I still keep going back to this face wash. And this retails for only 65 rupees, which is a great thing. You get different versions, but this one is for 65 rupees. You get 50 ml for 65 rupees. So this is an amazing face wash. If you still haven't tried, I would highly recommend you to try it out. Okay, so the next one is a scrub. Now again, a classic, one of the products which I absolutely love is the Biotique Papaya Scrub. This is like my 4th or 5th tub. Now you get different variations in it. You get the 10 ml one for 75 rupees, which is a great thing. If you want to like start off or like try this product, I would highly recommend it to you. And let me just open and show you. This is a empty product. Like, I have literally finished this, and this is probably my 4th or 5th one, I don't really remember, but I've been using it, I would say, since 2018, and I absolutely love this scrub. It is very gentle and it does the job really well. So that is for 75 rupees. So the fourth product is the Blue Heavens metallic liners. Now these are available for 95 rupees, and there are, I would say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 shades on Nykaa, and all of them are pretty much sold out. You get it in purple, I have one in silver, like all of them are glittery. We get in green, blue, turquoise, bronze, lavender, all of those amazing shades. So I would highly recommend. If you are someone who just loves like different colored liners, you are going to love this. Plus, let me just swatch this for you. As you can see, it is very amazing. Like, I just love it. I haven't really used it a lot because I don't wear too much of like a shimmery, but honestly this is really nice. Let's talk about the fifth product. This is the Insights nail polish remover. Now I do not really wear acrylic nail paints, so I just paint my nails like this, and then like every single week I try a different nail paint, and then this is what it comes in handy. So this is like the nail polish remover. There are 40 wipes available, and you just remove it, wipe it and throw it out, and this is for 45 rupees only, which is such a great deal, and this definitely works. I will just open and show you. This is how the sheets look underneath. So you just have to remove one, apply it, remove your remove your nail polish, and you're good to go. So I highly like this. Is very affordable, also travel friendly if you're going to wedding, now that we are not going anywhere, but in future, you know, it's very travel friendly. The fifth product is the Good Vibes lemon lip scrub. Now this is my first time trying the lip scrub. This is for 113 rupees on purple.com, and I recently got it. It is really nice. You really need like a very little amount to exfoliate your lips, which is a great thing. First things first, smells really great, taste also really great. It has like lemon and you know, just is refreshing, I would say. So yeah, I really like it. For 113 rupees, I feel like this is such a great deal. I have the Himalayas Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. I have used this a lot. As you can see, I'm just halfway through there. This is like my 3rd or 4th one. This is the cocoa one, and oh my god, if you smell this, if you are blindfolded and if you smell this lip balm, you would probably eat it off as a candy. This literally smells so good. Now this one is available for 138 rupees, and it is available in different variations such as peach, vanilla, you have lychee, all of them. But all of them, I really like the cocoa one and I absolutely love it. It does not give you this very like your lips do not feel very shiny and glossy when you apply this lip balm. This gives like this hydrates and moisturizes your lips but does not give that effect, you know. If you like that, if you are someone who likes that, you are definitely going to love this lip balm. Very affordable and I absolutely love it. So the next product is my recent discovery and I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it right now, if you can guess what I'm talking about. So this is the Swiss Beauty's 3D Studio Effect eyelashes. These lashes are available in different variations and these all of the lashes retail for 89 rupees. How cool is that? Lashes for 89 rupees. I am wearing one of them on my eyes right now, as you can see. Now this one is my absolute favorite. I have bought like 6 of them for myself and I've been trying out with, you know, every single makeup look which I've been doing over the past few weeks. But one of my absolute favorite is this one. This is called as Vamp and I have used it in my previous videos and I absolutely love it. This gives like a fuller effect but not too much on your face. And right now, as you can see, I am wearing other lashes which is called as Bossy. This is Bossy and this is Vamp. I will try to add a photo over here of me wearing the Vamp lashes so you can see, but all in all I would say these are cruelty free and this does not feel cheap at all. Like I used pack lashes, I've used Bronson lashes, I've used Nykaa lashes and these are like, though price of them is around 250, like the pack lashes are around 250, the Nykaa lashes are around 150 and this is almost like a few like rupees less. I would say like 50 to 60 rupees less. Still this does not feel like cheap quality at all. You can wear these like I have worn these 2 times and still they are like in good condition. So I would say I can get 5 or 6 more uses from it. So right now I'm completely loving using these lashes. I haven't even touched my other lashes. This is says a lot about these. So if you are interested in knowing these lashes, you can definitely check these out. I'm keeping the last products for the best. Let's talk about the 9th one, which is from Maybelline. Now this is a newer product. It is yet to be launched, but it will be launched very soon, I'm telling you. So this is the Fit Me sachets. Now you can see over here you have the Fit Me, which is comes like this. You get one in a bigger glass bottle which is for 550 rupees. You get this one for 299 rupees and you get, now they are supposedly going to be launching the Fit Me sachets, the foundation sachets. I am in the shade 220, so I have my shade over here and this retails for rupees 59. Yes, how cool is that? You get basically if you haven't tried your Fit Me foundation or if you feel like your shade has become darker or lighter, you can now buy these sachets for 59 rupees and try out colors and see which foundation suits you, and if you like it you can buy a bigger bottle just like I did, and I have my shades just right over here. Honestly, this is such a good thing which Maybelline has done. You get, I think, 5 ml of product. Now, I think it would last you like 2 to 3 times. If you are traveling, I would say this is a great thing because it is in sachets and you would absolutely love it because like it's very eco-friendly and like travel friendly. You are just carrying it anywhere, not that you are traveling anywhere, but in future this is a great thing. I definitely think people are going to love it. Like I've received so many DMs, but unfortunately this is not really launched now, but it will soon. So yeah, keep an eye on that. And last but never the least, all of our favorite product, it is lipstick. Now again, Maybelline has launched their sensational liquid matte lipsticks in sachets. You get these for 99 rupees. You get 2 ml of product, but let me show you something very cool. So once you open this lipstick just like this, let me show you, you get a doe foot applicator with it. How cool is that? Let me just swatch this lipstick for you, and wow, just look at it. Freaking love it. This is how the lipstick looks. Again, extremely travel friendly. If you want to try out a lipstick, just buy this one. Like it just, yeah, like if you are a person who just wants a lot of lipsticks but do not want to wear too many of them. Just try it out. It is honestly so freaking good. So that concludes our today's video. 10 products under rupees 150. Let me know which one was your favorite product, which one are you excited to try out. I am going to be doing a 20 products under rupees 250, so make sure to say subscribed so that you can watch that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to like and share with your friends. It would mean a lot. Also, I am so close to 5,000 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.